The audio capabilities of the Galaxy S6 are strong. Very strong, as usual. You can control everything on there, with even support for high bitrate FLAC files offered up to 24-bit sound in case audiophiles want to get involved. The sound quality is higher, but you'll need the files to get the most of it, and M4A lossless isn't supported. Most people won't use it, but given the rivals are starting to make a big noise about it, it's weird Samsung hasn't gone down the same route. There are so many settings in here to change the audio quality of your listening experience, and my word, Adapt Sound is good. It really does go through all the quality settings on your headphones to make sure the sound is optimized for them specifically, and it's really impressive to hear the new quality side by side. The other options also help improve sound, but the main equalizers are only available for the sound in the music player, which is a shame. I'm still a bit sad that phones haven't got smarter in the ability to play the right music at the right time. When the Galaxy S3 had a mood grid to let me make a playlist based on tempo, I assumed this was the future, but the S6 does the job more than ably, with clarity and richness. Then again, there's only so much quality needed when you're dancing to Usher with two cats. What? Shut up. No, you're weird. The Samsung Galaxy S6 is a good phone for a number of things, but gaming is one of its strong points. The octa-core Exynos processor seems to be able to handle anything I can throw at it, often exposing the graphical limits of games themselves. For instance, Real Racing 3, a game I'll often play to compare the capabilities of phones as it's rather intensive, looked a bit too clear, taking away from the graphical prowess and highlighting the graphical elements as they streamed by a little too slickly. But for screen response, load times and general gameplay, I'll easily turn to the Galaxy S6 time and again. The only downside is the screen size, which is a little smaller than I'd like for a good session, but it's still more than good enough for day-to-day.